The course dashboard enables you to view all your courses as a tiled list. From the course dashboard, click any one of your courses and go directly to its main landing page. You can also click and drag your course tiles to reorder them. Recent activity shows all comments and updates pertaining to your school's courses and groups. To filter your feed to view only updates, polls, or blog posts, click the Most Recent link in the top corner and select a filtering option. The Upcoming area on the right side of your homepage displays events, assignments, tests, quizzes, and discussions with a due date. Hovering over each item displays the course or group associated with them. You may access your personal calendar by clicking the Calendar link in the upper right-hand corner of Upcoming. The Schoology calendar is an important organizational element for your connections, courses, and groups. It keeps events and due dates organized and easily accessible. By clicking the calendar icon at the top of Schoology, you can view events and due dates by month, week, or day. Each item is color-coded depending on the courses, groups, school, or your own personal events. Due dates for assignments, assessments, and important course-related events are automatically added to your calendar and managed by your teacher. You can add events to your personal calendar by clicking the calendar icon at the top of Schoology. To create a personal event, follow these steps. 1. Select the calendar icon on the top menu. 2. Click the date to which you'd like to add an event. 3. Fill out the event form. 4. Optionally, add any documents, links, or resources. 5. Click Create to complete. Once you have created a personal event, you can drag and drop it to move it to another day on your calendar. To modify an existing personal event, follow these steps. 1. Click the event you'd like to modify. 2. Click the Edit Item button. 3. Once you've finished editing your event, click Save Changes. To delete a personal event, follow these steps. 1. Click the event you'd like to delete. 2. Click the View Item button. 3. Click the gear to the right of the event profile. 4. Select Delete to remove the event.